Hello class 8. This is the continuation of your chapter number 12, that is future tense. In the last video we have seen simple future tense, form of simple future tense, future continuous tense, form of simple future continuous tense, then simple present and simple future tense, the comparison, what is used where. Then we have completed till exercise F. We have to start with future perfect tense, that is the third form. See, future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is used to indicate an action which will be completed before a certain time in future. So you can understand it indicates an action which will be completed before a certain time. Means that a certain time is given, before that this will be completed, but in future. Alright. Now see examples. I shall have left before you return from office. Means I'm giving you a time that before this time I will be back. I shall have left before you return from office. So the time is certain that before you return from office I shall have left. Second, they will have finished serving food by the time you reach the restaurant. So they are giving the certain time that when you will reach the restaurant, they will have finished serving food. All right. Now let's see what is the form of future perfect tense. What is the form? How we write? Will, have, plus past participle form of the verb. This is the form with which we write future perfect tense. See the example. He will have prepared his speech by Tuesday. So you can see the form will and have is there, plus past participle form of the verb prepare is there. She will have written the letter by evening. Then the baby will have gone to sleep by evening. So you can see will, have plus past participle form of the verb is used. Next is future perfect continuous tense. Where it is used, let's see. To refer to a long action before a particular time in future. See the example. The choir will have been singing for an hour before the play starts. So before that particular time when the play will start, the choir will already have been singing for an hour. All right. Then to refer to an action that will begin at a particular time in future and will continue beyond that time. Sneha will have been sleeping for 2 hours by the time the maid reaches the house. Alright. Then see what is the form with which we write future perfect continuous tense. It is will have been plus verb ing form. Alright. See the example. They will have been sleeping for 1 hour by 8 o'clock. She will have been talking to her neighbor for 30 minutes by 6 o'clock. He will have been cycling for about an hour by the time the sun sets. Alright. Now what you have to do in exercise G, you have to either use future perfect or future perfect continuous. See the first one, the chief minister will have inaugurated. We have used future perfect. The flyover by the end of this week. It's mentioned what you have to use. You can see in the bracket. Then second, you have to use future perfect continuous tense. The animal will have performed in the circus for 3 hours by the time the show gets over. Then again in third, you have to use future perfect. In the second one it will be will have been performing. I just mistakenly written will have performed. Please correct it. I have used future perfect tense. I haven't seen it's continuous. So just second one, write will have been performing. Alright, just write this answer. Now the fourth one, again you have to use future perfect continuous. The annual sports meet will have been going on for 5 hours by the time it gets dark. Alright, then see this H exercise. Read the following sentence and identify the form of future tense of verb underline. What you have to do, you have to read the sentence, then the underlined verb you have to state the kind or the form. See the first one, it's already done for you. I will not attend the ceremony because I am too tired. It's in simple future tense. Although it is in negative, but it is simple future tense. Second is Geeta will be announcing the results of the painting competition soon. Will be announcing. This is your future continuous tense. Third, Sana will have arranged the notebooks before the teacher enters the class. It is future perfect. Fourth, life will become easier if our technology improves at this rate. Again, this is simple future. Fifth, Shahid will have prepared pasta when his brother returns from college by evening. This is future perfect. Sixth, the musicians will have been playing various instruments for entertainment of the audience by the time the other artists are ready to perform. This is future perfect continuous. Alright, just remember all the forms and then it will be easy for you to find it out that which form or which kind of tense is used. Now see what is there in exercise I. Read the following sentence and filling the blanks with appropriate form of verb given in the bracket according to the tense form mentioned with each sentence. Now let's start reading it. Serious doubts are being raised about food prepared in Indian kitchens as garden fresh products are being replaced with well processed and packaged food. Now see the first one. In this you have to use simple future form. The Indian researchers will find out more about consumption of processed food in rural India. Second, you have to use future continuous form. We will be discovering many interesting facts about India eating pattern very soon. Third, you have to use simple future form. The diet survey will indicate the degree of prevalence of processed food in daily use. Fourth, you have to use, in this it's not mentioned, but you have to use future perfect. Researchers will have surveyed around 4,500 people from all over India by the next month. Then next, various organizations will have been preparing, because they have to use future perfect continuous, will have been preparing a detailed report before they put forth their views. Sixth, processed foods lack nutrients and the regular use will be affecting the health of many people in future continuous. Then last is simple future. The survey will help consumers become more aware of the nutritive values of processed foods and choose more healthy options in the days to come. Okay, then exercise J, this is what you are supposed to do by your own. You have to write a description, you have to write a descriptive paragraph using these details in future tense. Alright, so do it by your own. Next is next is what you have to see the forms, that is the future, affirmative, negative, interrogative, how they are their negative and interrogative are formed. This is what you have to see here. In this remember part, this table is important, just go through it very well. All right, now see here in negative structures of a sentence in the simple future tenses form, when we write subject plus shall not or will not plus main form of the verb, like he shall not play today. Then in this continuous form, how it is written, subject plus will not plus be for plus form of the main verb. Like if it is in continuous tense, then you have to use be also, like Manoj shall not be playing in the evening. Then in perfect tense, how you write, subject plus will not plus have plus form of the main verb. Okay, like the boy will not have left by evening. Then how you frame interrogative, won't or will plus you applying subject plus main form of the verb. Then in continuous, will or won't plus subject plus be plus ing form of the main verb. In perfect tense, you write will, won't plus subject plus have plus past participle form of the main verb. Alright, now let's quickly do this exercise K. You have to rewrite the sentence as required. The first one is Aditya will go to the library later. You have to change it into negative. What will be the answer? Aditya will not go to the library later. Second, Kanya will make a kite soon. Again in negative. Kanya will not make a kite soon. Third, the match will be played for 2 hours. In interrogative, it is in future perfect tense. What is the answer? Will the match be played for 2 hours? Fourth, he will drive to the office. It's in simple form. Interrogative, we have to change it to interrogative. Will he drive to the office? Then fifth, it will be raining soon. Will it be raining soon? Sixth, Vikram will be reciting a poem in class. Interrogative, will Vikram be reciting a poem in class? Alright. Then last exercise, you have to use all tense. Alright, let's quickly do it and finish this chapter. New dietary guidelines will be available for the benefit of Indians soon. People have started consuming more animal product, carbonated drinks, sweeteners, processed food these days. Urbanization has increased in the recent times and it has led to a rise in obesity, mainly among children. In the older age group, diabetes, hypertension and heart disease will rise further in future. Nutritionists are saying that if people follow proper diet schedule, the problems will be taken care of. Doctors recommend a reduction in intake of carbohydrates and oily food for all across all age groups. The guidelines will help prevent a rise in such health related problems. All right. So this finishes this chapter. In the next video, we will see the last chapter of your course, that is active and passive voice. Before doing that chapter, it's a request to all of you to read all the tense because it will be used there. All right, all the forms of all the tense is used. So before going further to that chapter, I want you all to go through all the tense, all the forms of all the tense again, and then it will be very easy for you to understand that chapter. Alright, so this finishes this chapter. We'll meet in the next video. Bye and take care.